Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have admin access and a plan that allows apps or theme edits. Once confirmed, decide the pop-up goal, email capture, discount, or site announcement, because design and triggers follow the goal. Now install a reputable pop-up app from the Shopify App Store, or, if you prefer code, open Online Store Themes Actions Edit Code. Make sure to back up your theme before changing code so you can revert quickly if needed. Once the app or theme file is ready, design the pop-up to match your goal and brand. Choose modal, slide-in, or top bar, and set width, height, and mobile behavior so it's not intrusive. Next, configure triggers. Time delay, exit intent, scroll percentage, or specific click events to control when it appears. Then refine targeting. Limit to certain pages, collections, customer tags, or geolocation. Make sure to preview on desktop and mobile, and test each trigger so you capture the intended audience. To finish, enable the pop-up and run quick live tests. A /B test variants and monitor conversion rates, impressions, and bounce impact so you can adjust copy, offer, or CTA. Make sure performance is smooth by checking load time and JavaScript console for errors, and verify mobile UX. If something goes wrong, disable the pop-up or app, roll back to your theme backup, clear caches, and inspect the browser console for errors. Once fixed, re-enable and retest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.